Okay, guys, it's hot outside. It's steamy outside. It's summer outside. And that's not always fun. But today, we're going to use the heat to make something cool. All right. In your craft packets today, this week, you're going to find one canvas palette. You're going to find one pencil sharpener. You're going to find a couple of crayons. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to melt crayons again. Remember a couple of weeks ago when I tried to set your houses on fire by telling you to put buckets of crayons in your microwaves? We're not setting the house on fire again today, unfortunately. We are putting the crayon in the pencil sharpener, and we're going to get some nice shavings. And we're going to put the shavings onto the palette. Now, you're probably going to want to select which colors you want to use and make little bowls full of shaved crayons. And then you're going to put them on there. Get a little bit of pink. I got some orange over here. Let's get some orange as well. Get the orange going. You don't want super long shavings. You kind of want to wiggle it around so it trims off individual shavings. All right, that looks beautiful. You want them nice and thin. You want to put them on there, like so. And I'm gonna go with something a little bit abstract. You might not want to. So all you gotta do is you take your crayon, you peel the skin off of it, you shave it into a bowl, then you take what's in the bowl, you put it on the canvas. And then, when it's all said and done, and you're happy with it, what you do is you put this out in the sunshine for a while. You're going to want to, I think that 3 hours is probably the sweet spot, but depending on how hot the particular day is, it might be shorter or longer. And of course, if it's cloudy out, that's not going to be very good either. What's going to happen is the bits of crayon are going to melt into a three-dimensional art project. And if you make the crayons all clumpy, you'll have, it'll melt down and turn into a more solid thing of wax over the top of the canvas. Also, if you want to be creative with this, you can play with the shavings as they are melting. Maybe rearrange them a little bit, maybe mix them intentionally as they start to turn liquid. There's a whole bunch of things you can do with that. I'm just giving you the tools. All right, guys. I'll see you next week for Prism Crafts. I hope you guys are having as much fun with summer reading program as I am. I get to do all kinds of fun things. Bye-bye.